Hello friends, welcome back to No Logic No Trade. In today's video, we are going to study about one of the most powerful tools in technical analysis, the exponential moving average or EMA in short. We will break down how to use the EMA 20, EMA 50 and EMA 100 and how these lines can help us identify trends, entry points and exits whether we are investing or we are swing trading. So let's get started. So first we'll see what is an EMA. So an EMA or exponential moving average is basically a line plotted on the chart that tracks price movements. But EMA gives more weight to the recent prices, and that makes it a bit responsier than the moving average. So we can say EMA is a leading indicator as compared to the moving average. So what is this 20 in EMA 20 or 50 in EMA 50? So these are the time periods for which the EMA is to be calculated. So when we are calculated EMA 20, it will check the prices of last 20 candles and then calculate the EMA and plot it on the chart. So the next question is, how does it help in identifying the trend? So when we are thinking or talking about trend, when we say EMA 20, we usually are tracking short-term trend for a particular script. When we say EMA 50, we are targeting a mid-term trend for that particular script, and then EMA 100, we use it to track the long-term trend. So if your price is trading above EMA 20 and your EMA 20 is above EMA 50 and EMA 50 is above EMA 100, then we say that particular script is in a strong uptrend. Similarly, if we see that the price is trading below EMA 20 and the EMA 20 is trading below EMA 50 and EMA 50 is below EMA 100, then we say that particular stock or particular script is in a strong downtrend. So let's see how do we draw EMA on chart and how we identify the trends. So here we see this is our Reliance chart in TradingView. So first we need to go to indicators and search EMA. We will find that moving average exponential. We select that and then we see it draw a line. By default EMA is for 9 period. We can change it by selecting this and go to settings. So we can do it EMA 20 and we are done for it. Let me exit it. So we do it okay. And now this line represents EMA 20. We can add another indicator, same EMA, and we can again change the setting to EMA 50. That's all. Okay. So you now see it has drawn two lines, EMA 20 and EMA 50. We can also, let's change the color for easy understanding. We are making it yellow and a bit thicker. So yellow one is EMA 50 and the blue one is EMA 20. So now you see, if you see the price movement, um, whenever the price crosses above EMA 20 and EMA 20 crosses above EMA 50, we see a strong uptrend into the stock. We see from here to here it went upwards. Then and when the price moves below EMA 20 and EMA 20 moves below EMA 50, we see that the stock goes in a complete downtrend. So you can similarly add EMA 100 and uh, study your particular stocks. So let's take a look at another few charts, and see how these are behaving with uh, the EMAs. So first chart we are looking at is FCON's infrastructures. So these lines are the EMAs. So the green line is EMA 20, the yellow is EMA 50, and the red is EMA 100. So take a look at this. As soon as your price start moving above EMA 20, and then after some time the EMA starts crossing the EMA 20 crosses EMA 50, and then again the EMA 50 crosses EMA 100. So we can make an entry at this point to be on the safest side, and then we can wait till the price starts moving below EMA 20. So if we go by this logic, we see if we have entered here, and then within a matter of few days we see a 5% increase in the stock price. A very easy entry, calm and cool and clean. Again, if we see that the price has started moving below the EMA 20, and then at sometimes EMA 20 crosses below EMA 50, we can initiate a short here, and if we have shorted somewhere around here for a perfect uh, confirmation, we see it easily gave 6%. I'm being lenient because we might not book earlier, otherwise it's giving us easy 10% in just few days, the shorting, if we short it. So this is an hourly time frame. Similarly, if we try to analyze, let's say, Infosys on the same logic, here we see that the price movement start crossing the EMA 20, and then EMA 20 starts crossing EMA 50 and EMA 100. So if even if we enter at this price, then we would have easily made, I don't know, it's going continuously upwards for a longer period of time. You see this. So easy trade, you can use this indicator for your investment purpose, for swing trading purpose, and then keep on building wealth. So a very quick or very easy stop loss when you are using following EMAs. As soon as the price closes below EMA 50, you can get out of out of your trade, and then look for another opportunity. Otherwise, you can just keep on you can keep on holding this for larger gains. So that's all, friends. You can also combine the EMA charts with volumes and RSI, or maybe other candlestick patterns to generate another high probability trade. But even if you are not doing anything else, this simple setup will help you make money in a longer term. So, and then few things, if EMAs are in this zone, I mean these are completely flat, these are not clearly breaking or breaking upwards or downwards, you can skip uh, these time frames, and then can keep on waiting for a particular perfect entry. And then EMAs usually works on trending stocks. So if you see a stock appearing more often on your trading application, maybe highly traded or high volume trades, then you can select that stock and apply the EMAs to see if there is a clear visible trend, and then you can trade. Finally, friends, this EMA 201500 can help you track short to long term trends. They can give you powerful entry and exit signals. And when you use these with other indicators, they may become even more effective. So with that, I'll conclude this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to No Logic No Trade for more actionable investing contents. And a final disclaimer, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. This video is for educational purpose only. Please, please study the stocks, charts, or consult your financial advisor before making any entry in a stock. Thanks again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.